to your car, obviously, and here are your pads. Now the outside pad, this one here, has different clips on it. So those clips are those there, so that's how you know it's the outside pad. So inside the hole, you can see, just snap in, it fits on place, that's it. Now this side, you can see it's got the long clips, which are these ones. You just put the long bits in first, roll it in. That one's bent. Push against, down and in. Make sure they're all tucked in. Done. It is as simple as that. Not complicated. Garages like you to think